In this section, we'll cover how we enable the operations for all of your offers. The first and foremost is the publisher agreement. The publisher agreement describes the relationship between you and Microsoft and also governs your use of Marketplace to publish your offers to the customers. The terms and conditions in this document also governs how we operationalize the end-to-end processes for you, including how we onboard you, certify you, and publish your offer, billing your customers, dealing with the taxes, and processing the payouts to you for your revenue share that Brian just covered. If you click the link, the latest version we have in this link is updated as of August 12th. The next important policy document is the participation policy. In addition to the terms and conditions set forth in the Marketplace agreement, this policy covers additional key elements such as countries that publishers can list their offers from, countries that your offer can be sold to, how we manage taxes for various countries, etc. This is also a live document and updated as we include additional countries, move any country from publisher managed to Microsoft managed from a tax perspective, etc. Also, in your initial publishing life cycle, you will come across the relevant certification policy that is applicable to your offer. As you can see, there are a list of policies that covers currently applicable for each offer type listed. These are also live policy links that are updated as needed. The policies govern the initial quality assessment of your offer and also used as a basis to certify your offer prior to making the offer go live for our customers to purchase. Lastly, another relevant policy would be the ratings and review policies. This covers our policies around how we manage the ratings and reviews on your offer and guidelines to the customers on what types of reviews are allowed to be posted. Moving on, another important operational aspect is how we process payouts to you for your revenue share. Your offers are available to be purchased by our enterprise customers, as Brian covered, our small and medium businesses via the large enterprise agreements they have with Microsoft, direct customers who purchase via our storefronts called as web direct customers, and if you have opted in for our cloud service providers to resell your offer, it's also available for our CSPs to purchase to be sold to their end customers. We bill most our customers monthly, with exceptions to some of our large enterprise customers who have signed enterprise agreements a few years back where we had the quarterly invoicing options as well. Once we invoice, an amount is collected from the customers based on their payment terms. We process the payouts to you based on the applicable revenue share that is at 80% or 90% for qualified offers. The payouts are processed monthly, and our SLA is to pay by 15th of every month for any amount we collect from your customers during the prior month. We also come across situations where we need to process refunds to your customers. This could be for a few different reasons. One could be sometimes your own request to us to refund your customers for reasons that customers may have reached out to you, or customers reaching out us for any accidental purchases, any product dissatisfaction, or downgrades on seats, etc. In those situations, we may process refunds to our customers and will adjust those against your future payouts in case we have already processed payouts to you related to that purchase and collections. If for any reason with a particular customer, we end up concluding that the amount is not collectible, after going through our collection processes, we'll write off and you will not be paid for that portion that we are not able to collect from your customers. As of now, your payouts reporting is available in what we call as Cloud Partner Portal. And in the specific section called Seller Insights, you have a payout tab where you'll see the total payouts processed, billing in progress, and upcoming transactions. And you'll also be able to download reports of the transactional level details supporting your payouts. In a few weeks, we'll also moving the payouts reporting to the new partner center, and you'll see this new partner center experience, which has the aggregated view of completed and upcoming payments, rich filtering, and export capability with extensive data set for your own reconciliation, and also anything that relates to what's upcoming from a payouts perspective. And this just gives you a drill down details of the transaction level details for each of your payment and also some historical data that you can download. We also have customer insights reporting in Partner Center. And this is the screenshot of the new experience that shows a summary of your customer information, orders, and usage information. This experience is fully lit up for SaaS offers and will also be expanded to other offers. Lastly, the most important component of your life cycle with us is around how do we provide you with ongoing support you need throughout the publishing journey and post go live support. You have one place to go to log your support request. The options that will pop up are shown here. And once you select the specific reason and sub reason underneath it, we'll create a support ticket on our end, and we will engage with you until your issue is fully resolved. We also continue to track both our our support SLAs for closure and quality of closure via our customer satisfaction surveys. To ensure we provide you with your entire lifecycle support, we also deal with issues related to any IP infringement complaints you may have, or termination requests you may have, or any customer fraud concerns on your offer, etc.